Hello friends, I am Dr. Firuza Parekh. I am the director of the Fertility Jaslok International Fertility Center. Today I am going to talk to you about a procedure called Cumulus aided transfer, CAT for short. This procedure enhances pregnancy rates in women who are undergoing IVF and ICSI. As you know, the eggs form in follicles within the ovary. These eggs receive the nutrition from the fluid which surrounds them and receive signals from cells surrounding the egg. These cells are very vital and important and are called Cumulus cells. Cumulus cells are very important for the proper functioning of the ovarian cycle. They play a role in producing important proteins that are required to mature the egg. They support the functions of the developing egg. If proper signals are not received from the Cumulus cells, the egg may not reach maturity and in fact may not have the potential to fertilize. Cumulus cells also secrete many growth factors which help in implantation of the embryo and also in the proper formation of the embryo. In conditions like endometriosis, premature ovarian failure, antibodies to the ovaries, these Cumulus cells may not function optimally. Hence, we realize that these Cumulus cells play a very important role in fertilization and implantation in ART. Just before ICSI is performed, the Cumulus cells which surround the eggs are removed and discarded, as is normal practice. After this, the egg, which is bare, is injected with a single sperm by the technique called intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI for short. Knowing the importance of Cumulus cells, we have developed this technique of CAT. The Cumulus cells are transferred first into a dish which contains a nutrition-rich medium. Then, these Cumulus cells are allowed to multiply in this dish over 5 days, and you will see that these actually form connections with each other as if they are having a chemical crosstalk. In fact, our studies on electron microscopy have shown that these cells actually talk to each other by the chemicals that they secrete. They also release processes called dendritic processes, and these form connections between the two Cumulus cells. Cumulus cells release substances like integrins. Integrin works like glue and it makes the embryo sticky and therefore improves the chances of implantation. Cumulus cells also secrete substances which remove harmful toxins which surround the embryo. Once the embryo is ready for transfer into the mother's uterus, we take some of these Cumulus cells and add it to the embryo, which is kept in a nutrition medium. The Cumulus cells continue their good work in the uterus and help the embryo to implant. Since the CAT procedure utilizes the mother's own cells, there is no danger in using them. This technique is particularly useful in women who have failed IVF previously. So friends, we can enhance IVF success by making assisted reproductive techniques as close to nature as possible.